This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Hey, welcome back to Learn English with Ease. If this is your first time here, this channel is for people who understand English but feel blocked when it comes to speaking. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when you try to say something, your mind freezes.
Exactly. And today, we're going to tackle something that most learners overlook. The power of simple words. Words that make you sound fluent, confident, and natural without trying to use fancy vocabulary. Because the truth is, fluency isn't about knowing big words. It's about thinking fast, staying calm, and using what you already know.
And by the end of this episode, you'll have a toolkit of phrases and words that you can use in real conversations right away. No memorization stress, no complicated grammar. Just simple, practical English that works.
Let's start with the why. Why do simple words help you sound fluent?
Think of your brain like a computer. Under pressure, a conversation, a meeting, someone speaking fast, your brain slows down if it's trying to recall long, complicated words. Fluency is confidence and flow, not perfection. You don't need fancy words to communicate clearly.
And there's a bonus. Simple words are easier for others to understand, too. You sound natural. You sound like a native.
Let's make this practical. Here are some easy swaps you can use today. Instead of utilize, just say use. Instead of assist, say help. Instead of inform, say tell. Instead of purchase, say buy. Instead of require, say need.
And it's not just nouns or verbs. It's phrases, too. You can replace, in the event that, if, I am of the opinion that, I think, at your earliest convenience, when you can.
See how fast and natural that feels? Your sentences get shorter. Your brain can keep up. Your voice stays calm.
Next, let's talk about phrases that buy you time. So even if your brain freezes, you don't sound awkward.
Some of my favorites. Let me think. Well, how can I say this? Actually, so how do you feel about the meeting?
Let me think. I think it went well.
It's simple. You're buying a second to organize your thoughts and it doesn't sound forced.
Another key tip, short sentences. Keep it small, keep it clear.
Long, complex sentences are stressful. Short sentences equals faster thinking, equals more fluency.
For example, in the event that you decide to attend the gathering, please confirm your availability. If you want to come, just let me know.
Short, confident, and natural. That's how native speakers talk, even in formal situations.
Okay, let's put it all together in a mini scenario. Imagine someone asks, "Did you enjoy the workshop?" Instead of freezing and thinking, "I found the educational content insightful," you can say, "Yes, it was good. I liked it a lot. It was really helpful."
And then, if you want to continue, "I learned a lot. It gave me some good ideas. I'm glad I went."
See? No pressure, no big words, just simple phrases that sound fluent naturally.
So today we covered why simple words make you fluent, everyday word swaps, safe filler phrases, short sentences, and mini practice.
Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about staying calm, thinking fast, and using words you already know.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below with your favorite simple word or phrase. We'd love to hear it.
And next time, we'll show how to use these phrases in real-life conversations without panicking.
See you in the next video. Keep it simple, keep it fluent.